name's Jess, and for today with Cooking at Home with City Catering, we're going to have a go at a lemony tuna pasta with some peas, and I'm going to take you through the steps on the recipe on the video today. First thing we're going to do is just pop the pasta on to boil, and we can do everything else for the recipe whilst that's on the hob. So as I'm using frozen peas and sweet corn instead of tinned like in the recipe, I'm just going to cook those on the hob first, just to make sure they're ready to go once we start to cook the dish. So the pasta's boiling and the peas and the sweet corn are cooking. This recipe has garlic in. Now we quite like garlic, so we'll have quite a few. So you can pierce in between the garlic cloves and just lift them out. So then you just need to peel and chop, or I sometimes grate the individual garlic pieces. So you can lean a knife over the top and just push down to crush them. Helps you to then peel. So you can get all the skin off. To chop the garlic clove, with the top and tails and sweep them aside. Just gonna slice it through. And then again, lengthways, just to make it into finely chopped bits. The first thing we're going to do is just brown off the garlic in hot oil, but before it gets smoking, so it's not too hot, and just be careful not to brown it off too much. So one of the tips that Laura, who wrote this recipe, has suggested before you juice the lemon is to put it in the microwave for 20 seconds just to heat it up. So I'm just going to do that. But if you don't have a microwave, or if that doesn't appeal to you, you can just roll it on the countertop to get it warm. So to juice the lemon, I'm just going to chop it in half, like this. And it's already warm, but I've let it cool down. And just in a bowl, I'm just going to give it a squeeze. And the pips will fall out, but we can just pick them out of the juice. I put in with the garlic that we were frying off first, the tuna, the peas and sweet corn and the lemon juice in with the pan, and I'm going to put a sprinkling of parsley for a bit of flavour. And I'm going to just top it up with a little bit more of the lemon juice, just to keep it moist. Now the pasta's cooked, I've just drained it. I've saved a little bit of water to put in with the mixture, and I'm just going to give it a stir on the hob before we serve.